Katy Perry once tried to taste the rainbow by licking a firework, thinking it was a giant Skittle. Spoiler, it wasn't. Her love for glitter is so intense, she sneezed sparkles for a week after a stage cannon misfired. She claims her hit Roar was inspired by her cat, Kitty Purry, who growled at a vacuum cleaner. Katy's so obsessed with fruit. She once wore a watermelon dress to a vegan barbecue, confusing everyone. Her backup plan? Opening a cupcake shop called Perry's Sweet Treats, where every pastry sings firework when you bite it. True story? Maybe.